Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm gonna be reacting to FLO's performance, Cardboard Box, Sound of 2023 on Radio 1, and I'm guessing this is their first performance of the year, and of course it's FLO. I'm obsessed with FLO, so of course I'm gonna react to it. And I reacted to their remix with dang, what's his name? Dang, I'm not good at names, but the rapper. Anyway, I reacted to that song, and I guess that's their first song of 2023. I'm still trying to remember his name, but I don't remember his name. But they did remix with him, and I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna react to this video, and I don't know if they're gonna switch up the Stormzy. They did the remix with Stormzy. But anyway, I'm gonna react to this video. I don't know if they switched up the arrangement again, because when they perform live, they always like switch up the arrangement and stuff, and it sounds so good. And they always stick to this song. Like, they sang this song so many times. I would like to hear them sing another song live, but they sing so well, so it doesn't really matter. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get into this video. And please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. Okay, we got an audience up close and personal. Okay, they're kind of too close to it.
I don't think I want you anymore. There's no room for questions. I saw a savage on the bathroom floor. Putting up with this for far too long. You ain't gonna change, boy. What's the point in stringing me along? We're done for real, so I'ma put your stuff in a cardboard box. Changing my number and I'm changing the locks. When you can't get in, know your heart gon' stop. You may be crying, but boy.
Is this their only performance, or is there another video that's gonna come out soon? I hope there's another video, because how you just gonna perform one song for this audience? And sometimes for, I guess, Radio 1, they do like a cover of another group, but I don't know if it's for this or like another thingy. But yeah, I hope they have at least one more performance that comes out in the near future.
Changing my number and I'm changing the locks. Never liked your mama, so I guess she's blocked. You may be crying, but boy, I'm not stressed. Do you hear a stutter?
Stella's voice at that part was so good.
Don't take your step, cause you can go stay at her side. Hope that she was worth my wasted time. You need someone to put you back in line.
Okay, so Georgia switched up her run a little bit on that part.
Changing my number and I'm changing the locks. When you can't get in, know your heart gon' stop. You may be crying, but boy, I'm not. I'ma put your stuff in a cardboard box. Changing my number and I'm changing all the locks now. Never liked your mama, so I guess she's blocked. You may be crying, but boy, I'm not.
I could be the fourth member. Just kidding.
So I'ma put your jeans, no simple dreams that just hold me calm as a bee. Don't take. I'ma put your gold chains down the drain and get rolling. Might just drop a text to your homie. So boy, I'ma put your stuff in a cardboard box. Changing my number and I'm changing the locks. When you can't get in, on your heart won't stop, boy. You may be crying, but boy, I'm not. I'ma put your stuff in a cardboard box. Changing my number and I'm changing the locks. Never liked your mama, so I guess she's blocked. You may be crying, but boy, Thank you guys.
Okay, so that's the end. They better have another performance coming out soon. But yeah, that's so good. They always sing this song, but I feel like they switch it up, and like even the people playing the instruments, they kind of switch it up too. So it's never the same. So yeah, it's like the 10th performance of Cardboard Box, but it's still good. Like I'm not tired of the song. That's weird. But I feel like when they release their debut album, whenever that is, they have to like do part two of the same album, but like an acoustic version or a live version of the album, because when they sing live, it sounds different than the actual studio version. So I'm gonna need them to do that debut album and then release part two, acoustic version of the album or live version of the album. But anyway, FLO, I can't wait for them to release new music, more performances, and all that. I'm obsessed. But anyway, that's in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you can check out my first channel, SEKSHI. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.